My little scx24 deadbolt, passenger, driver, a couple CD characters, got a couple sleeping bags and a cooler. The lid is out on the course because somebody forgot to tie it down. I want to show you a video of my LED light bar I made out of a free Harbor Freight flashlight. Took it apart, unsoldered the bulb, soldered to a plug, hooked to the electric switch and line to the receiver. Put in an aluminum piece of 3/8 tubing I cut the face off of, soldered the ends, and just put long screws through it. Semi-adjustable. And it operates off of this channel, the third channel up here. Nice and bright. Show you what it looks like underneath. Just a wire. It comes to a plug. To this little switch on the auxiliary plug.